We dreamed a new dream. What time is it? 4:13. Follow my faith and follow my dreams.
Wait till you see what's next. They say history repeats itself. Let's double back and win it. Now you know it's an extreme world. You're just living in it.
Long live the queens.
We'll stand in history as the one and only legacy. I'm not done. You waited long, but wait no more because the crown is ours. We were always on the low, standing strong, and now the world will know we're unstoppable. Queens with the ring, call us the God Squad. Best of the best, and it's only at the top. I'ma stay humble, stay true to the text, but that ain't gon' stop me from kicking a little X. Possession is more than half the battle. You can't have my exposure. I serve my ex with a steel crown. Impossible for y'all poses. I hold the keys to heaven, make the ground shake when I speak. 'Cause I'm celebrating attention on your knees. The crown belongs to me. This is royalty. Bow down to your queen bee. Come in majesty. The crown belongs to me. This is royalty. Bow down to your queen.
No legend, myth, or fable. I've been winning since the beginning. The people's queen got a crown on, and now the world is living. One was born, two was true, three was earned, and four was sweet. Girl, I owe you one, 'cause mama likes to repeat.
Be inspiring. Be great. Let it all go. And trust fate.
Is where I'm meant to be as the light of the world on top of the earth. No matter how hard we're fighting, we'll keep on rising up with faith and love. The tear will always rain inside us as the light of the world.
Tail is always on top. Let's take this thing to TikTok.
Pump, pump, look to the left, wait to the hate, let 'em know you ain't stressed and snap a pic when we flaunt it, 'cause we absolutely flawless. Shoulder sway, wrist pop, stretch your tail, walk your walk, it's clockwork like TikTok on a beat, ain't no stopping, senior elite.
And that was Cheer Extreme Senior Elite.